Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today my topic exploring modern industrial kitchen decors. Combination of functionality and style. In the realm of interior design, industrial aesthetic have made remarkable resurgence, particularly in kitchen decor, with their raw alternate charm and sleek minimalist appeal. Modern industrial kitchens are becoming increasingly popular. Whether you are revantage your home or simply seeking inspiration for a fresh look, let's delve into the contemporary trends shaping industrial kitchen decor. Expose structure elements. Embrace the beauty of industrial architecture by leaving structure elements such as beams, space, and duct exposed. These raw feature and character and is authentically to the space, creating an urban loft-like ambience. Pairing these elements with natural tones or industrial materials like create and meet metal and enhance the overall aesthetic. Functional design. One of the hallmarks of industrial kitchens is their emphasis on functionality. Streamlined layout, simple storage solution, and efficient workspace are key components of these design trends. Consider incorporating features like open shelves, hanging port racks, and multi-purpose islands to maximize both style and utility. Mixed materials, industrial decor thrives and the juxtaposition of different materials for reclaimed wood and destroyed metals to possible create in stainless steel. Mixing textures adds visual insight and depth to the kitchens. Experiment with variety of materials to achieve harmonious balance between agendas and refinements. Monochrome palette. While industrial kitchens are often associated with muted tones like gray, black, and white, don't appear to inject pops of color of contrast. Option for bold ancient of primary house of early tones and infuse personality into the space without overpowering an industrial aesthetic. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.